Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a moving average on MetaTrader 5 software. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 software, then choose your currency. For me, I choose it Euro USD. Then after that, go to Insert, Indicator, then choose Trend. After that, click on moving average, as you can see. Then here you can choose the period you want. So let's say, for example, 200. And here for the method, choose simple. This is the style, the little color of the moving average. So let's choose a color. Let's say blue. And this one you can choose between the type of line you want. And this is the thickness of the line. So let's choose this one, for example. Then after that, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is my 200 moving average, as you can see here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.